The English is an international language. English is an international language. When we talk about a language, article, the, should not be used before it. I'm learning English at British Council. I am learning English at the British Council. The British Council is the correct usage. I have never liked red color. I have never liked red. The noun, color is not used with, the name of a color. I have great confidence on you. I have great confidence in you. Have confidence in somebody is the correct usage. The drug was very effective to relieve the symptoms of arthritis. The drug was very effective in relieving the symptoms of arthritis. Effective in relieving is the correct usage.